Are you curious about maybe helping the environment a little bit more by getting rid of these? Starting to use this to produce this after your coffee, of course. But did you know this stuff can help in a variety of other ways? Stay tuned, find out how. While you're here, check me out on my other platforms, either at virtually.com. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications for future videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Look what I did today. I voted. Yeah. But anywho, have a devoted cap on right now. And that is our marketplace with a mission. And the fact that I personally love coffee and I cannot wait for my new coffee to come in. We have the Gabina and the Commissional coffee. All new flavors, different varieties. Like the Gabina, we have the light, the medium, the dark. We even have decaf. But what my concern initially was like, oh my gosh, I've got a Keurig machine. So what do I'm used to using like K-cups. But then it's like I started looking like, these are so wasteful. I mean, yes, they're yummy, but it's like, if you figure this is one serving and you have 3 cups of coffee a day, that's 3 of these little plastic buggers that are getting thrown into the recycle. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to use this. This is my K-cup adapter. You open it up, you put the coffee into here, you close it, you put it in your machine, bam. Solution, right? Problem solved. But I have something even better. When you get done with that ground coffee, I put mine in a bowl to let it dry out a little bit. When it gets done drying out, I'm going to put it in this little mason jar. Why? Because there's other uses for those coffee grounds. Besides this drinking and making your whole life just happy, I plan on using these for other things too. So here's a quick rundown of how you can use coffee grounds besides making coffee. Number 1, fertilize your garden. This stuff has all kinds of nutrients and enzymes and proteins or whatever they're called that goes in the soil, and it keeps the worms coming up, makes everything happy, makes the plants happy, and they grow happy. You can compost it, same reason, to help fertilize, your lawn, your garden, your plants, all that good stuff. So green thumb people, coffee grounds. You can also use it to repel insects and pests. And those can include mosquitoes, fruit flies, beetles, and other pests. So if you got some things like around your house that you really don't want, bring up some coffee grounds. These can also remove fleas from your pet. Get some of these grounds, rub them into your dog after you're shampooing, and then rinse it and let them dry as normal. Fleas are like, ooh, gross, toxic. We don't want this. The compounds in the coffee are toxic to the bugs. They're not toxic. Okay, after that, you can neutralize odors. This stuff will absorb stinky stuff. So basically, if you have a stinky fridge, stick a bowl like this, put it in your fridge, it's going to suck it all up. No more stinky. Same with like if you have like a gym bag or smelly shoes. You're not going to put the bowl in your shoe. Just put it in like an old sock or pantyhose, tie it up, and use it as like a little portable kind of a sachet to kind of help absorb those odors. Use it for your car too. So hey. You can also scrub your hands with this stuff to get rid of like the garlic and onions when you've been prepping for dinner. You get the stinky hands. Use some coffee grounds. Rub it in there with some water or some oil. Boom. Smell gone. Okay. Number 6. Use it as a natural cleaning scrub. You can use it to remove buildup from your sinks, cookware, grills, and other surfaces, which goes in line with number 7, which is used to scour your pots and pans. Get some any buildup gunk, get it off of there, done. You can exfoliate your skin. This stuff is full of antioxidants, and the caffeine is great for your skin to get the just to get a fresher glow. And the caffeine can also help protect skin from sun damage. And in Florida, that's kind of but yeah, gotta be careful out there, no matter where you're at. But it can remove your, like dirt, dead skin cells. But you just add it to water or coconut oil and just kind of use it to exfoliate and get all that dead stuff. And or you can use it with honey. to use this for an exfoliating lip scrub. Yummy, yummy. Number 9, reduce the appearance of cellulite. Amen. It helps by breaking down fat deposits and increasing blood flow. You mix some grounds with some water or some coconut oil. Do that for about 10 minutes, maybe twice a week. Hopefully that cellulite goes bye-bye. I'm going to be trying that here really, well, not right after, but maybe tonight. Use it. Okay, number 10, use it as a natural dye. If you get a stain on some fabric or some paper, you can use it to color like cotton, rayon, cellophane, linen, and paper, and it gives fabrics and paper a vintage look. So you can maybe use it for decor, or if you're trying to cover stain, it's kind of dye. It's supposed to be like that. Number 11, clean your fireplace. Not that we have that many down here in Florida, but they do exist. So use it by scattering the grounds over the ashes, kind of weighs the ashes down so they don't go flying everywhere into the environment and into other parts of your room. It makes for easier cleanup. I'm going to take their word for it. I don't know. Number 12, you can tenderize meat. Well, salts, enzymes, and acids are 3 natural types of meat tenderizers. So coffee contains natural acids and enzymes. So you can add coffee grounds to your favorite dry rub it into your meat for, well, I guess I say 2 hours before you're cooking, or you can make a marinade out of it and add that and some oil, rub it on your meat and let it marinate for like maybe a day after you cook. So quite interesting. And I guess it's supposed to add to some flavor. It adds the flavor of the meat too. I'm like, hey, to give that a go. Let's go. Number 13, stimulate hair growth and strip buildup. It can exfoliate your scalp, remove the buildup, and any dead skin cells. So happy scalp, clean scalp, happy follicles. Happy follicles mean happy growing hair. Do that maybe one to 2 times a week. Number 14, we can repair scratched furniture. You can make a thick paste of this with water and kind of rub it on these scratches on your furniture using a cotton swab. Allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then wipe with cotton rag, and you can reapply it if it's like a darker stain or darker furniture. Just keep applying it until you get the right shade. Number 15 is grow mushrooms. I'm taking the word for that one too, but I guess some of the compounds that are in the coffee grounds kind of helps with the pH levels and growing really healthy, happy mushrooms. And last but not least, number 16, treat under eye circles. As we get older, things happen, and this is typically like the thinnest skin, so it's going to show more puffiness, more dark circles. This is going to happen. Sorry. So what you can do is just add water or coconut oil to the coffee grounds, form a little paste, and you apply the mixture under your eyes and you let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then you rinse it. So you can repeat daily or as needed. And this helps because it's, again, coffee grounds are full of antioxidants and caffeine. So that is your little learning lesson about coffee grounds for today. And you can go get your fresh cup. We have ground and we have whole bean coffee in our devoted marketplace. Different blends, different flavors, different kinds of roast. So depending on what kind of coffee lover you are, I'm equal opportunity. But I have to admit, I did order the snickerdoodle, so I'm super excited for that to come. But if you have a Keurig, just get one of these. Maybe $13, maybe $15. I think I got mine at Target. But these are amazing. You can reuse it. You know, it's just like less waste on the environment. Because look at all this stuff. I mean, this is stuff that I haven't used, but this stuff that goes right into the recycle bin. That's just all that plastic. So, great coffee, great causes. Save your grounds. Better for the environment. Sharing is caring.